Sometimes when I'm at a football game or working in lab, I kind of feel like this full circle moment where, like, I always knew that I would be here. It's always what I wanted. My freshman year self would be so proud of me right now. This is everything that she wanted. I'm Nariah Romero-Rudy. I'm a senior at the University of Illinois studying integrated biology. I'm from Danville, Illinois. It's a small town about 30 minutes from the University of Illinois campus, so there's a strong sense of community. You get to know your neighbors and your classmates and everyone pretty well. My sisters and I did everything together pretty much. The house I grew up in is just down the street from our elementary school, so my sisters and I would often go down there and play on the playground on the weekends or maybe after school when everyone else had left. When my youngest sister was 3, I would have been 9. My sister was diagnosed with cancer.
We were sent to Memphis Sunday morning, where we were going to spend about 8 weeks there, away from the girls. We got there, immediately started treatment. Of course, the girls, Nariah and Savannah, were left at home, and Nariah definitely played the big sister part when it came to Savannah. And when she would come visit Aaliyah, it was like as if they were never apart.
After about 3 years of treatment, my sister was finally declared in remission, and actually she recently was declared completely cancer-free and in the safe zone. With my sister's experience and being around the hospital so much and the doctors so much, it really sparked my interest in healthcare. It was exciting to see medical professionals so sure of themselves and knowledgeable, and it made me realize that I wanted to do the same for other families. I hope that with my genetic counseling career, I can provide the same answers and knowledge and even solace to people who are experiencing health difficulties like my sister or my family.
Just knowing that my daughter, all it took was one kid to be sick, and then for her to see that and say, I want to help other kids. I want to help people in general to not have to go through those things. It's an amazing feeling that she definitely wants to do that.
So I always knew that I was coming to Illinois. I did not always know how, but my goal was always to study biology here at Illinois. On my 18th birthday, my family and I were on our way to dinner, and right as we got into Champaign, there was a large billboard that had the logo. It said 4 years free tuition. And I remember just Googling and reading about what was Illinois commitment. I was like, oh wow, I qualify for this. This is a feasible way to go to Illinois. Without Illinois commitment, I don't think I would have been able to come to Illinois as easily, or if at all.
When I found out that Nariah was accepted into the U of I and she had got the commitment scholarship, that actually helped tremendously. Just seeing her doing what she loves in general is just amazing. Seeing her face and the smile on her face and how it just brightens her whole soul. I love that.
I knew as a kid that my mom was doing a lot and sacrificing a lot, but I think the older I get, I start to understand more and more what she actually had to do and what she actually had to give up in order to take care of us, and my sister especially.
She's my role model. I look up to her because she amazes me every time, just seeing all these things that she's done through her life, from seeing her as a little kid to seeing her as a young adult now. And I'm beyond excited to see what her future holds. And I think it holds a lot. I think it really does, because she does have that ambition, that drive to want to pursue more, want to learn more. I love that. I love that about her.